Captain, I'm sending you on a mission of great importance. Due west of your current location is the NSA Department of Xenotechnic Research. I want you to rendezvous with its superintendent, Dr. Alice McNeal. I believe you know her?
Yes, General, I know her.
She is researching a classified piece of equipment that must not be allowed to fall into Terran hands. The doctor will brief you further upon arrival.
Will Major Grant be taking part?
Major Grant he's been delayed. Clearing away the remaining Virons near Nova Legia. You will have to go this one alone. Good luck, Captain. Warhurst, out.
I'm getting hammered!
Take evasive action. I'll see if I can...
Shit!
Damn it! General, I've lost my dropship. I need an ETA and a new one.
I do not have a replacement ready at this time, Captain. I will see what I can do. But for now, you will have to make do with what you have.
I can do it, sir. I'm on
McNeal
it.
to NSA Escort Command. Do you read me?
Hello, Alice.
Jacob.
Sir.
Finally decided to pay me a visit, have you?
Don't worry,
I can
Alice.
do it, sir.
I'll be there soon.
I will do it, sir.
Boss, there's a whole bunch of those
Enemy
dog-faced
detected,
Virons
sir.
waiting for us across the bridge. This looks about right for a pincer move.
We're winning this. Nice shooting.
Affirmative, sir.
We're winning this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir. We can do it.
Okay. I'll do
We're
it for you,
losing
sir.
a victory location.
My thought exactly. Consider it
We
done.
captured a victory location.
Okay. Termination successful. Enemy taken down.
Leave it to me.
Enemy taken down. I'll do it for you, sir. My thought exactly. I will do it, sir. I will do it, sir. I'll do it for you, sir. Enemy detected, sir.
Leave it to me.
Okay. One less to worry about. I'll do it for you, sir. I'm on it.
I'll do it, sir.
I'll do it for you, sir. I'll do it for you, sir. I will do it, sir. I can do it, sir. I can do it, sir.
Finally. A little longer and... well...
It's good to see you, Alice. I'm sorry I didn't get here sooner. Seems you always have to wait for me.
Jacob, we have to leave now. See that truck over there? It contains the key to our survival.
And what would that be?
As much as I want to, I can't tell you. If you should be captured...
Yeah, I get it, Alice. So where are we going?
Mannerheim Tunnel.
Mannerheim? That's past San Zanzia. Terrans are all over that sector. This thing had better be worth it.
It is, Jacob. Believe me, it is.
Negative. There's no way. Yes, sir. We can do it. Yes, sir. At once.
Affirmative, sir.
Right, sir. I'll try, sir.
I'll do it for you, sir. I can do it, sir.
Yes, sir. At once. Right, sir.
Okay.
I'll do it for you, sir. I can do it, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can do it, sir.
Yes, sir. At once.
Okay.
Affirmative, sir.
You got it, sir. I'll do my best.
Okay. I'm on it. Boss, there's another group of Terrans east of the defense post. Coming
New
your
target.
way.
Sir, we're under fire.
Enemy destroyed.
Heads up, people.
We're under heavy fire. Enemy destroyed. We're pinned down.
Take cover. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. I'll do it, sir. I'll do it, sir.
Easily done.
You got it, sir.
I will do it, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll do it, sir. I'll do it, sir.
I'll do my best.
I can do it, sir.
Yes, sir. At once.
Leave it to me.
I'm on it.
Yes, sir. We can do it.
I will do it, sir.
Heads up. Enemies.
I can do it, sir. I can do it, sir. I will do it, sir.
Heads up. Enemies. Yes, sir. We can do it.
We're winning this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Consider it done.
I'll do it, sir.
I will do it, sir. I will do it, sir.
Heads up. Enemies.
Affirmative, sir.
Yes, sir. We can do it. I'm on top of it. I'm on top of it.
I'll do it, sir.
Easily done.
Consider it done.
I will do it, sir.
Affirmative, sir.
Okay.
sir.
Enemy in range. Sir, we're under fire. Affirmative, sir. We're under fire. Affirmative, sir. We got one, sir. Leave it to me. I'll do it, sir. We captured a victory
Now we can
location.
turn these guns to our advantage. Maybe assign some men to them and delay
I'll do
any
it for you,
pursuers.
sir.
I'll do it, sir.
Heads up, boss. We got incoming dog faces.
Enemy in range. Affirmative, sir. We're under fire. We're under fire. We're under fire.
Enemy detected, sir.
Leave it to me. Kill confirmed. I'll do it, sir.
I'll try, sir.
And 4. I will do it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Our landing zone is under attack. Affirmative, sir.
Yes, sir. We
We
can do
just
it.
lost a landing zone.
I'm on it.
Affirmative, sir.
I will do it, sir.
Heads up. Enemies. They're everywhere. I'll do my best. Yes, sir.
I'm on it. I'm on it.
Sir, we're under fire.
Yes, sir. Enemy destroyed.
Nice shooting.
We're under fire.
We're compromised.
Leave it to me.
Enemy in sight,
Victory
sir.
location. We captured a victory location, sir.
I'll do it for you, sir.
We're pinned down.
We've lost a victory location.
And 4.
I'll try, sir.
And 4. Right, sir.
We're under heavy fire. We're under heavy fire.
I'm tracking a new target.
Leave it to me.
Yes, sir.
I can do it, sir.
Heads up, people.
You got it, sir.
Sir, we're under fire.
They're everywhere. You got it, sir.
Affirmative, sir. Take cover. We're under fire.
I'll do it for you, sir.
We got one, sir.
I'll do my
We
best.
Well
captured a
done,
victory
Captain.
location.
Having San
Affirmative,
Sensia
sir.
secured should give you some room to maneuver.
I can do it, sir.
Right, sir.
New enemy detected.
Yes, sir. We can do it. Yes, sir. Enemy detected, sir. We're under
We're
heavy
losing
fire.
a victory location.
And 4. Ain't gonna happen.
You got it, sir.
We've lost a victory location.
Right, sir. You got it, sir.
Leave it to me.
And 4.
You got it, sir. I'll do my best. Yes, sir. We can do it.
Leave it to me. I'll do it, sir. I'll do it, sir.
Nice shooting.
New target.
One less to worry about.
Right, sir.
Kill confirmed. We're losing a victory location.
Yes, sir. We can do it.
Affirmative, sir.
I can do it, sir.
New target.
You got it, sir. I'll try, sir.
Taking sustained fire. I can do it, sir.
Leave it to me.
Yes, sir.
10-4.
New enemy.
There's the tunnel. Told you I'd get you here, Alice.
I never doubted it, Jacob. Just wish I could tell you what it is you've been protecting besides me.
Can't you tell me anything?
Well, let's just say it's historical in nature. Now that the Virons are fighting for the Terrans, we have only one option left to save our people. That's all I can tell you. Please don't press me for more.
Warhurst here, Captain. Good job. You beat the odds even without the aid of Major Grant.
Sir, I would like to know some more about what I was protecting.
I apologize, Captain, but that is strictly need-to-know information. Get some rest. You will soon be going out again. Warhurst, out.
We're pinned down.